But yeah, okay, here we go. Question one. How did you discover the show?
There was mad commercials.
Yes.
I remember there was mad
Buses,
commercials.
TV.
Everyone was just promoting it. I mean, like, I didn't watch the other one, True Blood. I didn't watch that one. And it was about vampires. I'm like, oh, wait, I saw Twilight. I kind of like Twilight.
Yeah, just too many vampire movies. Like, I was reluctant at first to watch it because I watched Twilight. I'm like, oh my god, please tell me it's not biting off of Twilight. But it actually did.
It's like halfway biting off of Twilight.
No, because there's brothers instead of just one.
Yeah, good.
Okay, 2. Who's your favorite character?
The black dude.
The black dude? There's a black dude?
There's a black dude in season 2.
That random black guy?
Yeah, I don't know.
The one who played Arnaz in 101. Yes. That one? Damon is my favorite character because he's so badass, but you know he's sensitive at the same time. Perfect combination. If you're a vampire, would you live off of human blood or animal blood? Human blood, duh.
Animal blood.
Nah, bro.
You know?
Human blood because they wouldn't die. Like I could just get off of a few people a night. And animal I'm good.
Blood. Because there's animals all over the place.
There's more people.
There's a raccoon in my backyard right now that I could just.
Raccoons are nasty. Like, even like if I get friends, like I could just talk it out with them. Be like, listen, guys, I'm a vampire. I need blood. There's about 5 of you. So whenever I get hungry, can I have about a pint, a liter? You know, because you know people give blood away to the Red Cross already. So why not give it to me? I'm the bro. Oh.
Yeah, sure.